Now we are going to see the topic angle of repose. Consider an inclined plane on which an object is placed. Let the angle which this plane make with horizontal be theta. For small angle of theta, the object may not slide down. As theta is increased for a particular value of theta, the object begin to slide down. This value is called angle of repose. Hence, the angle of repose is the angle of inclined plane with the horizontal such that an object placed on it begin to slide. Angle of repose is the angle between the surface and the inclined plane. Let us consider the various forces in action here. The gravitational force mg is resolved into two components. One is parallel, that is mg sin theta, and perpendicular component mg cos theta to the inclined plane. The component of force parallel to the inclined plane mg sin theta try to move the object down. The component of force perpendicular to the inclined plane is balanced by the normal force n. Therefore, n is equal to mg cos theta. When the object just begin to move, the static friction attain its maximum value. Therefore, f of s is equal to f of s maximum equal to mu of sn equal to mu of s mg cos theta. The perpendicular mg sin theta balance the maximum value, maximum f of s. Therefore, f of s maximum is equal to mg sin theta. Comparing the above two equation, therefore the equation becomes mu s mg cos theta is equal to mg sin theta. mg cancel. Therefore, this equation becomes mu s cos theta is equal to sin theta. Therefore, mu s is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Mu s is equal to tan theta. Theta is the angle of friction. The angle of repose is the same as the angle of friction. The angle of repose refers to inclined surface and the angle of friction is applicable to any types of surface. The next one, application of angle of repose. Antilons make sand trap in such a way that when an insect enters the edge of the trap, it starts to slide towards the bottom where the antlion hit itself. The angle of inclination of a sand trap is made to be equal to the angle of repose. ஆன்டிலாங்கிற பூச்சி எறும்பு சாப்பிடக்கூடியது. ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் ரிப்போஸ்ல குழி மாதிரி தோண்டி வச்சிருக்கும். ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் இன்க்ளினேஷன் ஆஃப் எ சாண்ட் ட்ராப் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் ரிப்போஸா இருக்கும்போது எறும்பு குழிக்குள்ள விழுந்துரும். அப்போ அந்த பூச்சி ஆன்டிலான் அதை சாப்பிட்றோம். The next example, children are fond of playing on sliding board. Sliding will be easier when the angle of inclination of the board is greater than the angle of repose. At the same time, if inclination angle is much larger than the angle of repose, the slider will reach the bottom at greater speed and hit hard. The next one, rolling friction. The invention of the wheel plays a crucial role in human civilization. One of the important applications in suitcase with rolling on coasters. Rolling wheels make it easier than carrying luggage. What is rolling friction? The force of friction that exists between the two surfaces when a body rolls over the other body is called rolling friction. When an object moves on the surface, it is sliding on it but will move on the surface through rolling motion. In rolling motion, when a wheel moving on a surface, the point of contact with surface is always addressed. Since the point of contact addressed, there is no relative motion between the wheel and surface. Hence, the frictional force is very less. At the same time, if an object moves without a wheel, there is a relative motion between the object and the surface. As a result, frictional force is large. This makes it difficult to move the object. The diagram shows that the difference between rolling and kinetic friction. Ideally, in pure rolling motion of the point of contact with the surface should be addressed, but in practice it is not so. Due to the elastic nature of the surface at the point of contact, there will be some deformation on the object at this point on the wheel or surface. Due to this deformation, there will be minimal friction between wheel and surface. It is called rolling friction. In fact, rolling friction is much smaller than kinetic friction. The next one, method of reducing friction. Frictional force has both positive and negative effect. Walking is possible because of frictional force. Vehicles, for example, bicycle, car and bus, can move because of the frictional force between the tire and the road. In the braking system, kinetic friction plays a major role. The frictional force comes into effect whenever there is a relative motion between the two surfaces. In big machines used in industry, relative motion between different parts of the machine produce unwanted heat which reduce its efficiency. To reduce the kinetic friction, lubricants are used. Ball bearing provide another effective way to reduce the kinetic friction in machine. If ball bearing are fixed between the two surfaces, during the relative motion only the rolling friction come to effect and not kinetic friction. The rolling friction is much smaller than the kinetic friction. Hence, the machine are protected from wear and tear over the years. During the time of Newton and Galileo, frictional force was considered as one of the natural force like gravitational force. Newton and Galileo and the frictional force வந்து gravitational force மாதிரியே natural force னே consider பண்ணிருக்காங்க. But in the 20th century, the understanding on atom, electron and proton has changed the perspective. The frictional force is actually the electromagnetic force between the atoms on the two surfaces. Even well polished surface have irregularities on the surface at the microscopic level. இப்போ இந்த diagram பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா ரெண்டு ஸ்மூத் சர்ஃபேஸ் இருக்குது. அந்த ரெண்டு ஸ்மூத் சர்ஃபேஸ்க்கு இடையில வந்து கேப் இருக்குது. irregularities அது வந்து என்ன செய்யுது, அந்த கேப் இருக்குது. அதுக்கு ரீசன் வந்து அந்த ஆட்டம்ஸ் உடைய அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்னால நமக்கு பார்க்க அப்படி தெரியுது.